company believes it has come up with a solution to one of the world's biggest environmental problems. They've taken plastic waste and turned it into the building blocks of construction. Lucy Warhurst reports.
These little rocks could be the building blocks to solving the world's plastic problem. They look like stones, but they're made from waste plastics, and they could soon be used to build bridges and skyscrapers. The inventor is Aucklander Peter Barrow.
We're basically taking just a complete mix of plastic out of the waste stream and we're converting it into a usable aggregate for concrete.
It's made from any mix of plastic. It doesn't have to be sorted or even cleaned. It goes through a special mechanical heat process, which we're not allowed to show you, and within minutes, the final product is formed. They call it Plasrock. It's taken a long time to develop, over 20 years in fact, but the timing couldn't be better. Millions of tons of plastic waste is ending up in rivers and oceans and landfills. New Zealand sent millions of dollars worth of waste plastic to places like China each year, but that's all over now. China's stopped being the world's dumping ground, leaving nations with the huge problem of what to do with it.
If we get this up and running, there would be no such thing as plastic waste. We could take every scrap of plastic you could possibly manage to get into the waste stream.
So this could be the end of the plastic problem.
That would be good, would it not?
It may help the environment, but research engineer Pete Hutchinson says first and foremost, the idea was to make a stronger, lighter product for the concrete industry.
It solves an enormous number of problems for them. You can imagine if you can take, for example, 40% of the weight out of a building structure, the engineering loads that change on that and the reduced costs in engineering are enormous.
It's a win-win for both.
It's a win-win. It is, absolutely. Win for the environment and a win for industry.
Plasrock is hoping to start production within 2 years. Lucy Warhurst, News Hub.